Which among the following are established under NATRiP? 1. International Center for Automotive Technology, ICAT. Manesar. 2. National Institute for Automotive Inspection, Maintenance and Training, NIAIMT. Silchar. 3. National Automotive Testing Tracks, NATRAX. Indore. 4. Automotive Research Association of India, ARAI. Pune. Choose the correct option from the choices given below. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3 only. The correct answer is C, 1 and 3 only. NATRiP stands for National Automotive Testing and R&D Infrastructure Project. It is a flagship scheme of the Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises, Government of India. The objective of NATRiP is to create world-class automotive testing and R&D infrastructure in India. The following institutions are established under NATRiP. International Center for Automotive Technology, ICAT, Manesar. ICAT is a premier automotive testing and certification facility in India. It provides a wide range of testing services for vehicles, components, and materials. National Automotive Testing Tracks, NATRAX, Indore. NATRAX is a state-of-the-art automotive testing track facility. It has various tracks for testing vehicles under different conditions, including high-speed tracks, handling tracks, and off-road tracks. The following institutions are not established under NATRiP. National Institute for Automotive Inspection, Maintenance and Training, NIAIMT. Silchar. NIAIMT is an autonomous body under the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Automotive Research Association of India, ARAI, Pune. ARAI is an independent organization that provides testing and certification services to the automotive industry. Therefore,